Hello, everybody. Welcome to today's episode of the Daily Dose. Today is Thursday, August 18th. And today we had the markets up just slightly after a lot of chop. The S&P was up 0.24%. The Dow was up a little less than 0.1%. And the NASDAQ was up around 0.2%. So we've seen a little bit of chop in the markets. Recently, we've seen the meme stocks go up and then start to come back down this week. Not a lot of news I really wanted to talk about today, so we can go ahead and get right into the markets. So, as you can see on our chart here, this is the S&P 500. So, we have some coiling now in this zone. This has been happening during this recent bear market. We had some coiling here in this zone and dropped well below, and then we came back up to that zone and coiled and popped back up, and now we're coiling in this zone. So we can expect a big move once we break out of this zone. That's what I'm looking for on the S&P 500. As far as it just went like today, it was really choppy. So this was the beginning of the day right here. My cursors are lagging a little bit, but this is the beginning of the day. We kind of sold off, bought back up, sold back off, bought up, and then started selling again later in the day. But I will just go ahead and hop over to Bitcoin since that was lagging out a little bit. As you can see, Bitcoin is still in between these two zones, the resistance and the support. We've broken through the trend line, but now it's just kind of in the middle of no man's land. It's been coming back down with the NASDAQ. It doesn't really look that strong, but it won't look super weak until we come back to the zone that'll really test where Bitcoin's at. If it buys back up, then I'd expect, once again, it still looks like it should get to this 28,000, but this right here just does not look that strong. Usually on Bitcoin, you expect a little bit more stronger moves, especially when you break through resistance, but nothing too exciting going on in the markets today. Obviously, we're just sitting still at that resistance, starting to coil, so that's really all I have today. Thank you for joining me today. I'm going to try and keep these nice and short. Thank you for joining me today. Make sure to tune in tomorrow, and as always, tune in on the weekends for our long episodes, and thank you for joining us today.